Let us look at a poem from Siri Kannada grade 8. The name of the poem is Bharatiyate. It is written by K.S. Narasimha Swami. Bharatiyate means Indianism or Indianness. So this poem describes the excellent qualities of we Indians. The poet has proudly described the unity among Indians. He has elaborated on the natural beauty of the country, lifestyle of the people, cultural heritage, unity in diversity, patriotism, sacrifice, and the helping nature of Indians. So let us look at the poem. ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆದ್ದು ನಿಂತ ಪರ್ವತ ಹಿಮ ಮೌನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಾವಳಿಗೆ ಮುತ್ತ ನೀಡುವ ಪೆರ್ದೆರೆಗಳ ಗಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಯಲ ತುಂಬ ಹಸಿರ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಹರಿವ ನದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಗೆಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯಂತ್ರ ಘೋಷವೇಳುವಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬೇರೆ ನೋಟವೊಂದು ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು. ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆದ್ದು ನಿಂತ means stand tall towards the sky. Parvata, mountain. Hima is snow. Mauna, silence. Then Karavali is the coastal region. Perdare means huge waves. Gana is song or music. Bayalu is field or plains. Hasira Deepa, green lamp. Hachu, to light. Nadi is rivers. Neeli means color blue, but here it represents the sky because our sky is also blue in color. Hoge is smoke, yantra is machines or machinery, and nota is sight. So let's look at the first line. Akashakkeddu ninta parvata hima maunadalli. So the Himalayas. This paragraph is explaining the natural beauty of the country. So the Himalayas, they are so tall mountains. So these mountains are standing tall and moving towards the sky. Himalayas are tall mountains and they look so beautiful. Then Karavalige mutta niduva perderegala ganadalli. In the music of the huge waves. Perdere is huge waves. So these huge waves, they always come with making some noise. So that is compared to the music made by them. So the music of the huge waves come and touch or kiss the coastal region. Then Bayala Tumba Hasira Deepa Hachi Hariva Nadigalalli. And in the plains of India, there are a lot of rivers, because of which there is a lot of greenery. There are a lot of forests, a lot of crops that are grown. So it feels like as though these rivers are lighting a lamp of greenery. Then Neeliyalli Hogeya Chelli Yantra Ghosha Veluvalli. So this is talking about the industries in India. So the industries, we have so many industries that the smoke that is emitting from them is going and touching the sky. And Kannu Bere Nota Vondu Navu Bharatiyar. So this line is highlighting the fact that we are united. India is a country or is a land of unity in diversity. Even though we all are different, we come from different regions, we speak different languages, we follow different customs, but we all have the same feeling in our heart that we are all Indians. Okay? So the first paragraph was all describing all about the natural beauty of our country. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. ನಾಡಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಗಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೋಧರೆತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವಜದ ನೆರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ನೆಲದ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯುಗದ ದನಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾವವೊಂದು ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು. ನಾಡಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಗಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಗಡಿ is borders. So in all the countries' borders. ಬಾನಿನಲ್ಲಿ sky, ಕಡಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ is sea. Yodha is soldier. Dvaja is flag. Neralu is shade. Tottilu is cradle. and koralu is voice. Bhava ಒಂದು, belief or feelings. So, ನಾಡಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಗಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ. So, all our borders are guarded by our brave soldiers. So, soldiers, we can find them in army, we can find them in navy, we can find them in air force. So, that is what is mentioned here. Baninalli means in the sky. We have air force in the sky. Kadalinalli, the navy, which is there on the sea. So, army, navy, air force, the soldiers from all these, army, navy and air force, they are always guarding our borders. And these brave guys, when they are holding the flag, in the shade of that flag, we all feel safe. We are all protected. We are all protected by these soldiers. Then, ಒಂದೇ ನೆಲದ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ. So, we are all born and brought up in India. So, we all have one cradle. We all have come from one cradle. That is the cradle of Mother India. So, we all have one voice. And we sing the same song. Bhashe bere bhava ಒಂದು, ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು. Even though we speak different languages, we all have the same belief or same feelings. For India, we always tell ourselves as Indians. So we all have the same belief. Even though we are from different languages, we speak different languages and follow different cultures, we all still call ourselves as Indians. Then the last paragraph. ನಾಡಿಗಾಗಿ ತನುವ ತೆತ್ತ ಹುತಾತ್ಮರ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲೂ ನೆರೆಗೆ ನೆರಳ ನೀವ ಕರುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಾರಿ ಬಳಸಿ ಏರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿಯೇ ಮೊಳಗುವಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿಯ ಬೆಳಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ ನಡೆವ ಧೀರ ಪಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು, ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು. ತನುವ ತೆತ್ತ means to sacrifice the body. Hutatmara, martyrs. Smarane is memory. So here this line is talking about the sacrifices that were made to make India a free nation. Namma kashtadallu nerege nerala neeva karuneyalli. Then this line is talking about the qualities of Indians. So even in spite of we facing difficulties, we are always ready to give a helping hand to our neighbors or those who need help. Dari belasi yeruval, birugali storm, and molaguva, even when a storm is rumbling. Then guri is aim, dhira is brave, and payana is journey. So nadigagi tanuva tetta hutatmara smaraneyalli. So in the memory of the people who sacrificed their body, the martyrs who sacrificed themselves to make India free. So in their memory. Namma kashtadallu nerege nerala neeva karuneyalli. And we are so compassionate that in spite of the difficulties we are facing, if our neighbors are under difficult situation, we also help them. In spite of our difficulties, we also give a helping, we also provide a helping hand for people who ask our help. All our neighbors, all our neighboring countries, we are always ready to help them. Then dari balasi yeruvalli birugaliye molaguvalli. And in spite of, if even there is a strong storm coming towards us, we still want to go and reach our goal or aim. ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿಯ ಬೆಳಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ ನಡೆವ ಧೀರ ಪಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ. So it is a brave journey that we undertake to reach our goal. And what is the goal? That we are always one. We are always united. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು, ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು. So wherever, whichever part of India we are in, we all still feel that we are Indians. We have that patriotism towards our country and we are always united in spite of the diversity we have, in spite of the diverse nature of our country. We still all are united and we still call ourselves Indians.